Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, don't forget to comment below, or don't forget to share and like. We do provide basic tutorials every day. We provide tutorials for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, but also for WordPress, and also for Magento, WordPress and WooCommerce, of course. Now, today we're going to show you how to change your language. And in our case, you can see our document is in English, United Kingdom. We're going to change into French. So what you need to do is to go to Review, and then you can click on Language, and then you can see our document is in English UK version. So if you want to put to change to English US version, you can click here and it's done. But for our, in our case, we're going to change into French. Now I'm going to click on French, and then I click on OK. Now you can see that it doesn't show properly. Let me go back again to show you a language. And if I click on French and click on OK, it's going to change just now, but I want it to, to permanently be changed to French. So this will be a default language for any document. I will start with Microsoft Word now. If I click on default, and then there's this notifications showing me, asking me if I want to change the default language to French, and because this will affect the full document based on the normal template, which was in English UK version. If I click on yes, then everything will the changes will apply. And if I click on yes, and then I click on OK, now everything is changed, and you can see now it's showing me that all the words I've added in French UK version are wrong. Let's say if I write a word, a French word like bonjour, it shows correctly. But if I write good morning, it's going to show me that morning is a mistake. So it needs to be in French. So because this is English, it shows a mistake. This, you can see that I've successfully changed my WordPress settings into a different language, which is French. But because I do edit in English, so I'm going back to change it to English so I can continue to do my work. And to go back, it's just the same thing. Let me click on language, and then I go to English UK, and this will be my default language. And then the notification is there. I click on yes, and then OK. So I'm back to my initial language. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, again, don't forget to subscribe. We do provide videos every single day. If you have any particular knowledge you want to know, just comment below and we'll make a special video for you. And if you've already subscribed, don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching and see you next time.